1982, a French guy in Chartres, which is a small city between Paris and Le Mans. I'm a professional racing driver. As a kid, I was watching quite a lot Formula One on TV, and I was a big fan of the red cars. And back in those days, the F40, Ferrari F40 came out, and you know, this was typically the sportiest car you could see on the road. And yeah, I was a big fan of it, so I had a small car back at home, and still, until now, this is still my favorite car. Turning point in my career, I mean, I've got many, but if I have to pick up one, it's definitely the move to Japan when I went over there. You know, I was a big fan of motorsport, that's why I started. But for sure you want to end up as a professional racing driver, and this is where everything started. I moved to Japan, I was getting paid for racing. But also I grew up as a man over there. You know, you go far away from home, different mentality, different kind of people, a big city like Tokyo. So it's been a great experience. I really loved it, and yeah, since then I think I completely changed, you know, as a person. Live fast. In a way, it means everything, because that's my way of living. You know, I'm always trying to go quicker than the time being, actually. You know, all I do is trying to be as fast as possible, to take as many risks as possible, to be the quickest on the racetrack. That's part of my life. That's what I've been doing since so many years, since I've been a kid. You know, wanted to be the best one and to be quicker than the others. So yeah, live fast. I would say that I never had enough time so far. I've been running behind it, and that's my way of living.